on the 14th of November 2025. We also filed a reply, a counter affidavit and a reply in respect to on the 14th of November 2025. For the third one, for the further application for bail, we did not file any counter affidavit. So for the first one, sir, I respectfully adopt the counter affidavit of the prosecution and the written address. And we urge your lordship to dismiss the application because it's a regurgitation or repetition of the well-worn argument that the counts which the defendant pleaded to are unknown to law. It is for your lordship to determine that in other ones. Well, the one asking for stay of proceedings, my lord, our argument is to the fact that the statute does not permit your lordship to grant any stay of proceedings or injunction. So we urge your lordship to dismiss it. And for the second, we also filed a written address dated 14/11. We adopt it with all respect, and we urge your lordship to dismiss the application as lacking in merit. For the last application, asking for the defendant to be admitted to bail on the same ground that, the counts to which he pleaded not guilty were unknown to law. Again, is a repetition of the old argument. It is for lordship to determine whether the laws were valid, whether his plea was valid, and whether he is answerable to the law when he committed the terrorism act. The terrorism act he committed was... So we urge your lordship to dismiss the application. On the other ground is also to the fact that the applicant has another pending motion filed in March, in April 2025, asking for the same relief, bail. So the latter bill, the latter application with respect, is an abuse. In any event, none of them merits. We urge your lordship to dismiss it.
Please, let's save the time of the court.
We appeal your lordship to dismiss all the applications because they lack in merit and do not deserve any consideration at all. Thank you, my lord.
Thank you, sir. Defendant, you have one or two words to say?
Thank you, my lord, and I'm most grateful. My point is a very simple one, my lord. Very, very simple. My charge sheet, as presently constituted, does not reveal or disclose any written law in Nigeria as at this very morning.
Thank you.
It doesn't exist, my lord. And very finally, I think it is very, very important that I allude to what my lords...
Please, defendant, at this point, you won't go and make references. I just ask you to reply on point of law.
It is, my lord. I'm trying to explain exactly what the point of law is all about. We respect what you have just said.
Yes, let me hear the point of law.
My lord, I cite Eze v.
I'm coming. Consultants, you may guide him properly. Thank you. Let the consultant sit with his client. Or do you have all the consultants? Do they want to sit with their clients? Okay, let me see. Are you here? Mandela, you are here. Opara is okay. Where are the others? Ejiofor. Where are the others? Yes. You just have 2 minutes for this. Yes. Yes. Up 2 minutes for this.
Thank you, my Lord. I'm most grateful. Once again, I will start with the bail application that I made. Since he did not file any counter affidavit, my Lord, he is in effect conceding. And I expect that this very application should be determined based on the affidavit that I filed.
You may sit down.
And on the issue of stay, my Lord, once matter borders on jurisdiction, stay can be granted. Once it is a jurisdictional matter, stay can be granted. What I'm asking for is for a referral, my Lord, to the appeal court for the determination of these very key issues. And also, I reiterate that Asia is not superior. It is not superior to the Constitution of this very country, and an established jurisprudence as determined by the Supreme Court that stays can be invoked insofar as the issue borders on jurisdiction. And my Lord, this is very, very critical. Not minding anything we may have said before, or I may have said, the fact of the matter is that the very count 7 laid under Criminal Code Act Cap C-45, my Lord, is not Nigerian law. It doesn't exist. It just doesn't exist. Why should I be in detention over charges that don't even exist, my Lord? It doesn't.
You are exceeding the 2 minutes.
Okay.
Can you
Just,
summarize?
yes, please. I ask my Lord that I be granted bail on very favorable terms, given that a concurrent judgment of the Supreme Court of Nigeria determined, my Lord, and found that I did not get bail. I never did. That was their finding. I did not get bail. And that the revocation of my bail implied that.
It's okay.
Thank you, my Lord.
Thank you.
That's it.
You may sit down.